ta na na.
My mother's birthplace in Patiala, something got a hold of me deep into my soul, and I was mesmerized by a flood of memories of my mother, my grandfather, my grandmother, and that's how the idea of Ghoomtana came into my head.
There we were, all set to make a music video. Everything happened so fast that didn't have a time to react at all. And everything happened over conversation.
बचपन से जो मौसीकी सुनते आए हैं बड़े सगीर में, उसमें घूमताना एक मेटाफोर बन गया और म्यूज़िकल मेटाफोर सिर्फ नहीं है, एक स्पिरिचुअल मेटाफोर भी है, एक सफ़र का, जर्नी का कॉन्सेप्ट उससे आता है। तो मेरी कोशिश ये थी कि किसी तरह मैं लाहौर को और पटियाला को और दो हमसायों को, दो शहरों को, दो नेशंस को पेश कर सकूं in their own way as they are.
I think music is such a wonderful way of expressing. You don't have to say big things, you don't have to give a lecture, and yet it reaches hearts.
It's not for nothing that music is called the speech of the angels, because on its own it has the power to enter into your heart and stir up nobler sentiments. And I was nearly in tears when Salman first played this song to me. If this kind of melody cannot create harmony, then I really don't know what can.
हार्मनी के लिए ना आपको ज़रूरत पड़ती है फ़र्क किस्म की आवाज़ों की। शुभा मुद्गल की आवाज़ मैंने जो सुनी थी, वो एक बड़े क्लासिकल रन में, बड़े एक ट्रेडिशनल रिवायती तरीके में उन्होंने गाया था गाना जो मैंने सुना था।
And I've always enjoyed collaborating with musicians, with people from other disciplines, and therefore it was with a great sense of anticipation that I looked forward to meeting Salman. But it's always, I think for me, it's wonderful when a musician comes across to me and says, I've written a song and I'd like you to be a part of it. I mean, I think it's, and the way Salman said it actually was also very, very disarming. The fact that he came with the openness and said, listen to it, and if you don't like it, it's all right, but if you do like it, I'd be, happy to have you sing on the song.
नसीरुद्दीन शाह, जिनका मैं बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ, उनसे मैंने सिर्फ ये पूछा कि मैं एक ख़त पढ़वाना चाहता हूँ और उस ख़त में एक हमसाया अपने दूसरे हमसाये को अलविदा कहना चाहता है। मैं चाह रहा हूँ कि अगर आप ये कर दें, और मैंने बड़े डर के ये कहा क्योंकि he doesn't do this kind of stuff। तो I got a call and said कि भाई कब करना है तुम्हें, शूटिंग कब कर रहे हो? तो मैंने कहा कि नसीब भाई ये वॉइस ओवर है and it's going to begin the story of घूमताना। उन्होंने तकरीबन 30 सेकंड में भड़का दिया।
It was a complete wonder to me to hear a classically trained singer like Shubha Mudgal singing along with a rock musician, if I may call Salman Ahmad that, and creating such beautiful music together. Never for a moment did I feel that this is not quite right, this doesn't fit in, though their styles of singing vary completely, the styles of the music that they prefer vary completely, and therefore I had no hesitation whatsoever in lending my voice to Salman Ahmad's version of Ghoomtana. In fact, I felt very flattered and very honored that he asked me to do it.
साकिब मलिक जो मेरे दोस्त हैं और कितने साल मैं उनको से जानता हूँ, लेकिन मैंने कभी उनके साथ कोई वीडियो नहीं किया, कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं किया सर। उनको मैंने अमेरिका से फ़ोन किया तकरीबन 10 दिन पहले शूटिंग से, शायद उससे भी कम था। तो मैंने कहा साकिब, दिस इज़ वीडियो, दिस इज़ स्क्रीन प्ले एंड आई एम सेंडिंग दिस टू यू एंड यू हैव टू डू दिस। मतलब मैं ना नहीं सुनना चाहता आपसे।
मुझे इस वीडियो के लिए बड़े अजीब और ड्रामाई अंदाज में अप्रोच किया गया, जैसे सलमान नॉर्मली आई गेस करते हैं, एंड मैंने उस वक्त हाँ कर दी, और हाँ कहने के फ़ौरन बाद मैंने अपना सर पकड़ के बैठ गया कि भाई मैंने किस चीज़ पे हाँ कर दी है, बिकॉज इट साउंडेड सो एम्बिशियस एंड सो I mean, there was so much responsibility with it, or time बहुत कम. Salman is a bit of a dreamer, and he doesn't realize that there's a reality side to life as well, where it's one thing to think grandly, and it takes quite a different effort to actually do it.
He had a vision, and he still has that subcontinental peace and harmony, something that is very dear to my heart.
वहाँ कौन होगा, प्रोडक्शन कौन कर रहा है, कास्ट क्या है, किसी को कुछ नहीं पता था सिवाय मेरे.
My role in Ghoomtana was that of a fixer, the person kind of behind the scenes, and I was courier girl, I was media in charge, I was stander in queues at airline offices, I was changer of tickets, I was listener of angst, I was shoulder to cry on, I was receiver of euphoric messages. The worst part of the job, I think, was being chaser of Shahnab, the producer, who has 2 phones and 2 ears, but more calls than that.
नंदिता दास का जो रोल है इस वीडियो में बहुत मुश्किल रोल है. ज़्यादा एक्ट्रेसेस इसको टर्न डाउन नहीं करें, बिकॉज टू प्ले अ विडो, टू प्ले अ मदर, टू प्ले अ डॉटर इन लॉ, इट्स नॉट अ वेरी ग्लैमरस रोल टू हैव. लेकिन ये उनकी खूबी है कि शी कैन लुक ब्यूटिफुल एंड येट बी इन द रोल. और सबसे बड़ी बात जो मैंने देखी कि वो वाकई बहुत अच्छी इंसान है, क्योंकि उन्होंने ना सिर्फ मेरी मदद की एक्टिंग में, बट everybody else who was on the set, उनको भी calm down किया.
I'd never done a music video, and I had no desires to do either. I think no one single thing is going to bring about any revolution. So it's not like one is expecting that after this music video, suddenly we'll, shed all our prejudices and suspicions, and the governments will come and hug each other. It's just that at every level things have to be reinforced.
I just felt that it was absolutely imperative for any of us and like-minded people like us to get involved in it and do whatever little that we could do to further the cause of, some people getting together from both sides of the fence and try to do something which is of any consequence in furthering the cause of peace and friendship.
Ghoomtana has an evocative quality about it. It is in some ways unpredictable, and I think it's a very important statement reaffirming the fact that whatever the politics of our 2 countries may be, that wonderful touch, that wonderful contact between people and between artists reaffirms that harmony will be restored and is in the process of being restored.
Anywhere I meet a Pakistani, दुनिया के जिस हिस्से में मैं जाता हूँ, जहाँ कोई पाकिस्तानी मुझे मिलता है, जिस मोहब्बत और खुलूस से वो लोग मिलते हैं, it touches my heart deeply. Whenever they come here, whenever I'm in a foreign country or I meet them, they embrace me as one of their own. And it's not only because I'm a Muslim. It is because they feel some connection, and the connection is very deep, and I feel it too, despite never having visited Pakistan.
It was a really interesting mix of people, and they realized that this is 4 दिन का काम नहीं है, ये तकरीबन 1 महीने का काम है जो हम 4 दिन में करना चाह रहे हैं.
The entire administration of Patiala was like, welcome, whatever you want, it's available. So हमने फिर ज़रा सुख का सांस लिया कि चलो, at least where we are, they're going to welcome us.
महाराजा पटियाला से लेके डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने जितनी कोऑपरेशन हमारे साथ की, शायद ही कभी किसी फिल्म या किसी वीडियो प्रोजेक्ट पे हुई होगी.
We walked into the city of Patiala, and the keys to that city were handed over to us. It was like, go anywhere you want to go, shoot whenever you want to.
Shooting in Patiala, I think, was a very, very special experience for me for 2 reasons. One, overall, I think the people were very friendly, very warm, and I had certain preconceived notions about Punjabis being crude and aggressive. Maybe some of the Delhi walas are, but the Punjabis in Patiala were absolutely wonderful.
To us, the problem was that we had a very complicated story to tell in very little time. So we ended up primarily shooting in a house, but that house has historical value because that house belongs to Salman's own great-grandfather.
I thought it was going to be a sort of a holiday, So I jumped right into it, not realizing the scope of all the things to come and what was going to hit us in our face.
It was more, what was amazing about the whole project was the people and how we just bonded. I was calling it Survivor Patiala.
As soon as we met the people, it was so disarming because we were all really so much like each other that it didn't really strike us that, okay, here are people who've come from, you know, another country and we're putting together a project which is actually like, you know, a kind of cross-cultural thing.
You know, halanki we're from across the border from supposedly the enemy country, but there was so much love and so much trust. And I think we'd gone at a time when there was a real feeling of reconciliation between India and Pakistan going on.
When I was a child, I was told stories. I didn't witness partition. In fact, I was born in 1949. But when I was a child, I was told stories about how many close members of my own family had migrated to Pakistan in 1947. It would be absolutely traumatic and heartbreaking if any of my brothers, for example, had to go away, or if among my children they had to part ways in this way and go and live in two countries which were supposedly hostile to each other.
You know, I didn't want this to become a National Geographic See Patiala video. I wanted to make a video about building trusting relations and not about buildings.
तो एक सीन उसके अंदर है सिटी के अंदर जहाँ नंदिता का मेरा एक्सीडेंट होने लगता है एंड हमने सड़कें रोकी हुई थी, पुलिस ने सड़कें रोकी हुई थी, लोग कोठों में से देख रहे हैं और ये चक्कर है कि नंदिता को स्कूटर नहीं चलाना आता था. इन दी एंड यही हुआ कि मैंने कहा मैंने मार दे आगे. मैं सामने जाके खड़ा हो गया, शुक्र है उसने रोक लिया जाके स्कूटर. सो आई मीन वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ एडवेंचर इन दिस.
Saqib, in such a short while, because there was hardly any time to do pre-production or, you know, even on the shoot, he didn't know anything about Patiala and he didn't know the production people. So to be able to do it in those circumstances, I think was quite a feat. He's also very open to ideas, but because of the limitation of time, sometimes he would crush our good ideas. But I'm sure as director is always the captain of the ship, we sort of said, okay, whatever you think is right. And I'm sure he's done his best.
But my message to Nandita is that Nandita, whether it's your right side facing the camera or your left side, you're beautiful every way and it just shows in your eyes.
संजय का लाहौर आना जो है वैसे तो बड़ी आसान बात है, 45 मिनट की फ़्लाइट है, लेकिन उन 45 मिनट को पूरा करने के लिए उनको 6 दिन अपने लगाने पड़े. और ये मैं समझता हूँ कि is the uniqueness of Pakistan-India relations. So close but yet so far.
I remember once Saqib, the director, we're doing a little Diwali scene and he kept giving fuljaris to people and said, agarbatti jalaiye, agarbatti jalaiye.
As the camera was panning, एकदम आवाज आई कि ओ बंदा गिर गया.
एक उनमें सिख था, एक हिंदू, एक मुसलमान, सब ने जाके सब भूल गए उस वक्त कौन कौन था. उस वक्त सिर्फ इंसानियत के किसी बंदे की जान बचानी है.
मैं और पुलिस वाले मिलकर दरवाज़ा पहले तोड़ा तो अंदर जाके इस बंदे को रेस्क्यू करके बाहर निकाला.
लेकिन थैंकफुली विद द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड he came out of it. और जब उसकी आंख खुली तो सामने कौन था? एक पाकिस्तानी. देखिए जो घूमता ना की कहानी है, it begins with chaos and ends in peace.
We not for a second realized that it was truly a Indo-Pak crew. I mean, the director is from Pakistan, the cinematographer is from India, one actor is from India, me, and one actor is from Pakistan.
It was really a discovery which we couldn't have made in a big organized sort of framework. So it was great that we threw ourselves into a place where we didn't know what was going to, you know, really happen.
जिस दिन शूटिंग ख़त्म हुई तो उस वक्त बस 3 घंटे थे एयरपोर्ट पहुंचने में. अब ये महसूस हुआ कि ये शायद आखिरी दफ़ा हम एक दूसरे को मिल रहे हैं और वो बहुत ही मुश्किल अलविदा था.
But you know, doing this video has been the toughest thing I've ever done in my life. इससे ज़्यादा मुश्किल काम मैंने नहीं किया.
Khumtana is a small project and music video is just part of it. I think when the album comes out and there's a little talk about it, the music will say, the words will say, the way Shubha Mudgal and Salman have sung it is absolutely beautiful. And I think all that will say that yes, it is about friendship, and maybe somewhere while the reinforcement of prejudices and suspicion is probably carrying on, or now it is at its low, but reinforcement of love and friendship and trust is something also that needs to be done.
This is not going to change the whole world and the whole scenario between India and Pakistan, but what it has done for a bunch of few people, it has showed them a way that yes, there are things that one can be really proud of.
ये जो एफर्ट हो रही है सलमान की तरफ से, इसको हमारे दोनों फोरम्स इंडिया में एज वेल एज पाकिस्तान में होल हार्टेडली हमने इनको सपोर्ट किया है। उनकी लॉन्चेस में हम फुल इसको बैकिंग कर रहे हैं, प्राइमरली बिकॉज it is important to build bridges between the two countries and change perceptions.
It would have to take a mad and ambitious man to come up with a project like this and to do it.
Salman, he is not an actor, and I hope he's watching it. But I think just the fact that he's so convinced about it, and he's quite shameless because he doesn't mind all of us laughing at him and telling him.
But I understand Salman now. I understand the way his mad mind works, and I understand his passion.
He's also a big bully.
You see, Junoon comes from within, not from without. And I am Junooni. So, sorry.
Well, it's one of the occasions when a very handsome, dashing young man has come and asked me to sing a song, and so it's extremely special, certainly.
But what should not and will not remain a dream is the coming together of the people of India and Pakistan, because, as I said, the love that exists between the two is absolutely genuine.
दिल से जो बात निकलती है असर रखती है, पर नहीं मगर ताकते परवाज रखती है।